Hello everyone! Welcome back again to my channel. Today, I will show you how to cut a beautiful sun without a pattern. So easy and so simple. I use only a construction paper or you can use a colored paper or whatever what you wanted for practicing and how to do it. So please keep watching until the end of my video and I will show you how to do it. Checking right now, so hopefully I get the looks that I wanted, and I will show you right now how it looks. There you go. Yep, I got it right. That's not too bad. It's not hard to do it, so easy. So there you go. So hope you guys like my video or my vlog for today, and please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and see you guys next time on my next vlog. If you're first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.